Tuchodor, and today I will make my June bullet journal setup. I'll let you choose the theme of this month on Instagram. Options were cocktails, fruits, or ice creams, and most of you voted for ice creams. I'll use my watercolor to color my items, and I already prepared a color palette which includes very soft colors. So let's get started. I'll start with putting my title on the left side. I wanted to modify my title and add ice cream in it also to match it with my theme, and I think it's gonna turn out cute. I'll use this pen during my video. It's from Artline 0.05 size. I'm done with my title, and now I'm moving on to the right side. Here I will draw lots of ice creams. It's gonna be super colorful and minimal. Honestly, that's not my kind of art, but time to time I force myself to get out of my comfort zone to try some different art styles, and actually I'm so glad because they turn out way nicer than I thought they would. After I put all the colors, I'm adding some border lines with my Artline pen. Here I come to end of this design. I think those pages look super cute. Even though I said it's not my style, those colors really bringing my mood up already. Let's jump into the next page. I'll put a full-size June calendar in this page, and my setup gonna be super simple. I complete my template. Now it's time to add the little design. I use this gap on the bottom right side to add my design and title. after I write down the dates, it's time to move on to the next page. I'm gonna put my habit tracker on the left side. I start with my title. I want to track 4 habits this month, which are workout, eat clean, Maya. Maya is a 3D software I'm practicing regularly lately, and self-care. I want my templates to match with my theme, so I turn them into like ice cream and adding some little colorful ice cream around my templates too to make it a bit more vibrant. Even though I'm not super satisfied with this page design, I'm letting it go and moving to the right side. I'll design this page to organize my YouTube publishing, dates and creative contents. I have another channel in Turkish and sometimes it's really hard to handle with all publishing dates, so I really feel need of this kind of space to be organized. You can customize here up to your school or your job. Even though I didn't put lots of design on it, I really love how this page turned out. Here I will put my weekly planner. This section really saving my life, especially to organize my work. I believe some of you working and studying from home lately, I totally recommend you to have a weekly planner to be more organized and less overwhelmed. I'm putting 5 sections here, one for each week, and trying to keep it colorful and fun. Meanwhile, I try to keep them simple. I think it looks good, so I can move on to my next page. I'll use this page for my to-do list. I have a very busy month ahead because we are moving overseas and I really can use such a section to make sure I forgot nothing. I keep the page design quite simple again, just added little details around my title and side of my page. I really prefer to keep my writing sections plain. After I add my last touches, here we come to the end of my June bullet journal setup. I hope you guys liked my version of ice cream theme and enjoyed the video. If you do the same, please don't forget to share it with me on Instagram. I'll see you guys very soon on the next video. Ciao!